Dora, the photographer today.
Hello and welcome to Trending Pinoy Celebrity. Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D at Miss Universe Guatemala. Nabidyohan ng sikat na pageant vlogger na si Adam, ang kanilang nakakatuwang model at photographer moment. Si Miss Guatemala ang nagselbing modelo ni Michelle, at talaga namang tila professional photographer ang dating nito. Nakakatuwang makita ang ganitong mga moment, na nagpapakita ng palakaibigan ni Michelle sa kapwa nito beauty queens.
The two Michelles.
Yeah, I know.
The one is a model, the one is the photographer.
Okay, wala pang
Dora, the photographer today.
Ready, go.